All right, this is the third video I've done on NIO today. I haven't published the previous two, and so I had two choices. I was either record a 5 hour video watching NIO and what was going on with it, or do a summary video. So I decided to do a summary video. So NIO got some good news on their earnings, and it created this pop right here, right out of the gate. And not a lot of people caught this pop. I, for one, did it. I typically don't trade off the open. I wait till it settles down a little bit. And I typically don't trade prior to 10:30 if I can help it, unless there's some good deals out there. Like if I had this and I had to sell a cover call, I probably would have traded it in here, but I didn't have any shares of NIO. So here's what happened this morning. Is it popped up to 840, then it pulled back a little bit, then it popped up again, and then I bought it at 835 on this run up. Okay, and I was planning on doing a covered call up here or Monday, but I decided to hold off a little bit. I wanted to see what the stock was going to do. Pulled all the way back into 850 and then pulled all the way back into this 835. And then I did my second video right here. Oh, let me zoom out. I did my second video right here saying the bulls have to step in or the bears are going to crush this. And I have that video. I just haven't published it. And then about 5 minutes in, I said this video is too long, so I stopped it. And then boom, it took a nosedive. And on this uptick right here, I bought it again at 8. So I'm in at 8 and I'm in at 835. These two levels here. And then it continued to go to the downside. It got bought up a little bit here, and now it's struggling to retake this 8. We got about a couple hours left in the open. I just wanted to get this video out of the way. So let's go to my trade. See my 200 shares here at 817. That represents the 835 that I'm in and the 8 that I'm in. That's the average price. 200 shares. Taking a hit right now of $55 on my P&L. This is typically why I don't trade stocks like NIO, stocks that move so quickly. From the top to the bottom, from here to here was over a 10% move intraday. That's crazy. I typically like to stay away from stocks like this, but they had a good earnings. All the analysts bumped them up. It went on this sick run. I saw some levels and I jumped in. But let's look at next week. I've already given up on today on the swing trade. So let's look and see if there's premium next week. Again, my cost basis is 817. Now, even at 850, because it's such a volatile stock, even at 850, it still satisfies my 1%. And this is why I don't trade stocks like this, is because of how quickly they move. Remember, these prices represent how volatile the stock is. So it can go, people don't know whether it's going to go to 9, and this is 1% too, or it's going to go all the way back to 7. They just don't know. And that's why there's premium all up in here and all up in here, is because nobody knows what it's going to do. So like I said, I'm in at 815 or 817-ish. So I'm going to sell an 850 call. Actually, let me sell two 850 calls, because I'm in at 835 and then I'm in at 8. So that's going to be some nice appreciation, plus the premium times 2. Let me put that in for next week. And hopefully NIO could go on a run. I know it hit all the way down at 7 recently, but I got that fill on there. But hopefully it can take run up and I could get out of these shares. Really don't like holding these long term, because I just think there's other better options out there, and this is just too volatile for my trading style. But there you go. I tried to swing trade NIO, got caught, but I still made up some premium. Hopefully we can go on a run next week.